Hello, and welcome to another episode of Rod to Reel Fishing. As always, I'm your host, Luke Burnett, and today we'll be doing the MTB July unboxing. Alright, so, let's see. Bait card. Alright, so the first bait, Excite Baits XB1. Oh, here it is. Alright, now it says this is in bluegill. It dives 2 to 5 feet and has tungsten ball bearings and distinct action and sound. Excite Baits is always a good bait to go with whenever you're fishing, whether it be clear waters, murky waters. It's just a good bait all around. Alright. First bait. Alright, second bait. Chuggin Spoon Jr. Alright. I think this is him. Let's see. This is in Wounded Shad. Huh. Pretty cool. I've never seen this company before. It's called Hedden. Looks like a great bait. Second bait. Alright, let's see. What is the third bait in here? Tungsten Hot Shots. Oh, sweet. Tungsten is always a good tool to have in your tackle box. These are by Mr. Finesse. You can use them for a hot shot rig. Yeah. Third bait. Alright, fourth bait. Let's see this. Premium Extra Wide Gap Drop Shot Hooks by Skinny Bass Jigs. Great tool to have in your tackle box. These hooks are super sharp. Oh my goodness. Very good tool for drop shotting. Fourth bait. Alright, next is Pork Pin by V&M Baits. 4-pack. Alright, let's see. This is in Candy Bug. And looks like a good drop shot bait. V&M's a new company. Apparently it has pork fat cooked into the soft plastic. Now that's very unique. Looks like they'll work good. Fifth bait. Alright, so the last thing is not really a bait. It's a classic bass sample from Baitmate. It was 50 cents and it's 20 ounces. And it's in live bass. So, I don't know if I can see this good. Alright, there it is. Yeah. Alright, so it's in live bass. It's an ultra concentrated formula. It's improved adhesion for prolonged potency, increased scale fleck, amino acids to enhance scent. Huh. Very good. Very good bait. Sixth bait. Alright. But we all know that the most important thing in Mystery Tackle Box is the sticker. Alright. Time for the match the hatch. Alright, let's see. Got my quarter right here. Alright, let's see what our prize would be. Alright, it would be a Smith Optic shirt. Alright, let's get it done. Looks like it's not a winner today. Well, as always, next month. See you next time on Rod to Reel Fishing.